Introduce highlight features or overview summary for SHARDOR Single Serve Coffee Maker 2.0. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 2 brewing flavors available. Experience the refreshing delight of iced coffee and the rich intensity of hot brews, with the option for extra strength to suit individual taste preferences. Versatile compatibility. This coffee maker is compatible with K-cups and ground coffee, featuring a detachable capsule holder and reusable grinding filter, offering convenience and freedom of choice. 5 Cuban pesos sizes. Brewing 6, 8, 10, 12, or 14 ounces meets diverse needs and occasions. Fast and fresh brew. The coffee machine can start brewing within seconds, allowing you to easily enjoy a fresh cup of coffee in a short time. 50 ounces removable water tank. The 50-ounce large capacity enables brewing multiple cups of coffee at once, saving time and hassle. The fully visible water tank makes it easy to spot any impurities or buildup inside the tank for cleaning and maintenance. Travel mug friendly. Durable stainless steel shell, clear control panel, removable drip tray, fits travel mugs up to 6.3 inches, space saving. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.